Hey guys, today's video will be leaf, which is tarpa, and tarpa is singular. If you want to describe leaves, you say tarpe, so leaf and leaves. For example, let's say a tree's leaves are falling, you say tarpa dia ilenta hole in pala. So leaves of this tree are falling, and in impala means falling, and it can be used to describe also a person falling. Well, it's not, doesn't necessarily have to be trees falling. Trees, well, you can use it for a tree. This tree is falling. By tarpe, basically. So let's summarize. Tarpe is plural for leaf. Tarpa is a singular leaf. Impala is falling. Right. So it's describing falling. It's literally falling. And the word fall, for example, if you want to tell someone, watch out, so you don't fall, you'll say, for example, to a boy, you say, Dribalach leneplet. Right? So, neplet is like, for it's said to a boy. If you want to say to a girl, be careful so you don't fall, you say, Dribalach is be careful. And balach is like similar to bal in Arabic, which means mind, means pay attention. Dre balach le neplet. Right. So neplet is for a guy, and neplet is for a girl. Dre balach le neplet. And pala is for. Yeah, hopefully that's not too hard. Good luck.